Good morning. How are you?
So I always believe 7 to 8 billion human beings we are same. Now important is we have to think a common aim, world peace, through individual mental peace. Religion is personal matter, and race is also personal matter. Basically, we are same. Same way we're born. Now, sooner or later, same way we pass away. So while we alive, we have to live happily with the genuine face things of brotherhood, sisterhood.
Talente chenga chanye di mena keche chilia Martin Luther King Junior kunzu foundation ki tanda kura Martin Luther King sede dan tanda di ta chamusa kura tanda se ki pomati che. Talente le chagwe di Martin Luther King Foundation ki center da tanda Vancouver le yobe Dalai Lama Center ni songje ki tone ani janguru je ke sangje pe ya yarab jo sang dang 지당 학벌도 아니 쉬게做了呀 믹스에게 차배체에게 탑람지 돌이야 갈롭슈 인디가 나오슈 제르샤 달래 믹스에 가려서나 쉬게 돌이야 믹스에 간다 레가 숙침부 빼니 단다디 구조 빈자니 요래 킬버거 브라더스 크레이크 다 마크 크라니기 다 쉬게 먹고 쉬우절 대버여서 구조 속버디 쉬게 그쳐도 두셔 속버래 단다디 크레이크 킬버거 지다 코란로 중니래 쪽숨을 찍을까봐 자가 돈이들래 딜레게 돈에 코란게만 로 줍시 임마나 찍을까봐야 스웨덴이야 시디 총도 조벽갈 군둔데 송시 나냐 조 패백갑대 디디 코란게 도 디디는 제요래 그래서 단련 코란이기 쉬게 쌓여 망불이야 근데 레고 냐보 페이지 구조 고급 여버 인상 디 고급디 다 안티 액세스 되게 배주에 제제 경험음식이다 마틴 루터 킹기 꼭 간다 체면시베 탑람배야다 네 경험음질 학벌도 셈기시드 나네 최고의 그 탑람디 시윤띵네나 레 두르는 거와 근데는 코란즈 디겠다 두르는 거 요바나시기 코란즈다 뉴바다 되게 배주 제제 탤런트 간다 쇼게 쌓야만 부지게 코란즈다 쉬에 제베나 간다 군주 공로 구주 배배게 그 총과 송지 쉬베 다 뛰제 디바돌이야 아니 쌓야 간다 또 공로 구주인자 쌓야 굴 롱바치긴 있지 코란즈데 쉬스랑 탤런트 청아 자야조 드레
It was beyond amazing to be in his presence, to feel his energy, to hear his thoughts of what our world must continue to do in terms of understanding how we create a better world for all of God's children. It was amazing to see his interaction, as everyone knows, with children, with our daughter. This is beyond refreshing and inspiring, uplifting, and in a real sense, we're working on a project called Realize the Dream. My father talked about freedom, justice, equality for all humankind, and His Holiness has always talked about being one people. And the problem in our society is we get segregated and caught up in our own small conditions, as opposed to saying, look, we are a world community. And if we want to bring peace, justice, we have to work together. I have an expression in the States, we're on cloud 9. Well, we're actually on cloud 10, which is higher than 9.
It was a tremendous honor to be here with him and with you all in his home. He continually talked about the fact that the things that we think that divide us, whether it's religion, whether it's color, that those things really don't matter, that we are all one. And it's really up to each one of us to create a world where each one of us, where compassion and happiness reigns, and that we can do that.
His Holiness is definitely someone who is an inspiration to me and an inspiration to my beliefs, and really keeps me going and helps me to remember that the true potential of our world. And so it was truly an honor to be able to speak with him and to be able to get advice. I think that so often we forget to seek advice, and so I really got advice, and right now I really feel enlightened through having this experience.
I first met him in 1972. So 52 years ago, that meeting changed my life. So that's what I was talking to him about, how important that meeting in 1972. And I was very honored that he allowed me to host him 4 times in Vancouver to create the Dalai Lama Center for Peace and Education. Now we have more very strong partners like the Martin Luther King and so on. So we're going to be doing more good things, we hope, with the younger people. So that's what I discussed with him. Next year at his 90th birthday, that we would have able to influence and make an impact on the 9 million young kids, which is what the Dalai Lama Center in Vancouver is focused on, educating the heart of young people.